Hello everyone, welcome to our Tarang live show. Today we are going to see some beautiful collections. We are coming live after very long. So let's see what new collections we have in store. Okay, so first things first, I want to start with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this beautiful kaftan set. It's a two-piece set that has very pretty embroidery here. Like you can see it has the stone detailing and everything. And it's a very lovely printed georgette fabric. Yeah, perfect for summers and events where you want to look very classy. It gives you that classy, elegant look.
And like now the holiday season has come, like it would be good if you carry for the holiday season too.
Yeah, resort wear
Yeah.
and all. So
And
these are some short tops that you can pair up with jeans or pants, maybe pants like this. And whatever collections you like, you can just send us a screenshot on our WhatsApp and we will take your orders. And our WhatsApp number is 86395 almost like most of the collections that we are going to show today won't be there on the website, so we would advise you to order from WhatsApp directly. So these are some of the short tops. So this is just for an idea. If you're interested to see more such collections, you can message our team and they will send you guys
and
pictures.
these are the pants you can mix and match with these tops.
This is like a party wear short top.
Park Lane store, Secunderabad.
Yeah, these collections are also available in our Ameerpet stores.
They show the bottom which can mix and match for such tops.
Yeah.
Or
So
even-
these bottoms you can wear for many kurta sets. So in this we have few patterns. This is like a stretchable fabric. It's cotton mixed. So it's very
very
stretchy and
comfortable too,
cotton.
and yeah, available till 3XL.
Yes. And then these are pure poplin, cotton poplin fabric. These ones. It has this crochet detailing here. And similar one also available in black. I have this black one because it's black we can wear it with so many kurtas. It has this beautiful crochet floral detailing. Oh, and the price, I forgot to mention the price. It's 850 for the pants. So yeah, these are like very good quality.
And comfortable quality too.
They don't
like,
shrink or it's not even see-through, so very pretty. So let's see kaftans. So in this one, we have two sizes. One is this 2XL size and next is L size. So these only come in two sizes. You can pick either of the size, and if you're small or medium, then we do adjust it according to your body measurements. So let's see the prints in this one. So this is very lovely. And so this is the georgette material which I'm wearing. And show this
one is like
satin
silk
silk.
mix.
Yes.
A very
It's
soft fabric.
beautiful
feel the
detailing.
touch.
Yeah.
Even the print is also so elegant.
And just look at the neck detailing. Also, I forgot to mention the price. So this one is 4095, the one that I'm wearing, 4095, and this is 3795,
And
black color.
it has a beautiful Zardozi work over the neckline. Even the black one also very beautiful antique gold work.
Yeah, we got huge response in this, so these are fast moving, but we are also going to restock them. And this is a multi printed. This one is priced around 3895. So this is a two-piece. So all these come with an inner inside. So it's not see-through. It's very free, lightweight, and comfortable. And these are some all-time hit party wear tops. So these you can style in multiple ways. Wear them for weddings, kitty parties, any functions, pujas. Just look at these tassels they come with. So these are complete premium collections. This is a very beautiful silk, Banarasi silk fabric. Price is 4870 only top.
These are only tops. You can mix and match the one which I have shown you. Like
Yeah, these are different fabrics. Like all four are different, but the pattern is the same. If you see, it's A-line cut with beautiful tassels on both sides. So let's see one by one. We'll start with the crushed yellow. Can you do a close-up?
yeah, this is a crushed yellow top, available in all sizes with a beautiful print, floral print, and it has a tissue shine too.
Yeah, so it's grand yet very simple.
And this one in the
Silk,
black,
printed silk.
So you
Yeah. So this is printed silk. It has this ajrak modal type of design. Price for this one is 3520. Very beautiful detailing here around the neckline. So very lovely. You can wear them with the bottoms that I just shown, or you can also mix and match with leggings or any jeans pants that you have. Next is this pink is done. So the last one is yellow. Again, beautiful Banarasi tissue fabric. It has this very nice subtle shine and lovely detailing here with scallops. 4695 is the cost and very beautiful. So let's see next.
And these are some linen collection.
Yeah, linen cotton tops. These are only tops. Perfect for summers. So let's look at the prints. The price range is almost same for each top. 2395 is the cost. These are cotton linen mix.
These are all again we restocked due to the high demand.
Yeah,
Perfect
these
for
are like
the-
summers, perfect for summers. These have like minimal detailing here. Can you zoom in on the collar? So very beautiful detailing, very lovely, vibrant, comfortable prints. Yes, perfect for these summers.
even the fabric is very comfort too. Like you
Look at
can
this
carry the
peach
day long.
color.
if
I
you
have
carry
the
day
same one
long.
in blue.
Yeah.
These are very comfortable, especially for office wear. And this is the last one. So many such varieties are available. You can visit our stores or also schedule a video call if you're not able to visit, or also buy from our website. And for the store location, you can check our caption or also click on the link that's available. And some more A-line tops. We can see these. These you can wear just as a frock, like a one piece.
Even we can wear like one piece
Yeah.
because they're completely like the frock style,
Yeah.
fully
Or you
stitched.
can also pair them up with pants underneath. 4295 is the cost for this one. The best part is the detailing here. Like, see,
It's 4095. This one price is and available in all sizes too. These are like semi-party look but very
yeah.
comfortable
This
fabric.
one is like tussar silk. This one is very lovely, contemporary style, premium material.
And the
This
cut
is printed,
beads,
same fabric.
the cut beads work and the pearl work.
Yeah,
You can
very
see
neat.
the different colors of the pearl work, very neat and elegant, beautiful.
Yeah. Next, let's see this one piece. So we have many
See
prints
the
in
print
this.
and the color combination, so classy. Even the fabric is also very soft, like satin
A
soft.
nice silk fabric.
It's like a one-piece gown.
Yeah, you can wear it as one piece for birthdays, parties,
Yeah, and the
movies, or
price is
anything.
around 4695.
And even this is one more variety. Wow. So lovely. And look at this one. It's so nice. For daytime, it is
Yeah.
perfect. Again, one more resort wear type of fabric. Very lovely, very plain. It looks lovely if you just wear it as a frock
Yeah,
too.
perfect for the holidays.
Yes. So for these summers, many of you guys asked for trips if you're traveling, then what type of frocks you can wear. So some tops like these would be perfect. Then some temple wear, work wear,
Even these are like A-line anarkali
A-line
style.
anarkalis. Yeah, this one is cotton linen fabric. This we have posted in reels. It's also available on the website
And it's a 3-piece set.
with linen pants.
Yeah, but the price is
Khadi
only
linen.
2670. So,
For the whole set.
yeah, whole set is 2670. It's an A-line frock. This is the top.
Just see this detailing too here.
Yeah, and the bottom and the dupatta. Show the
Yeah.
bottom.
Yeah, this is available on website. You can search for code K222 and you can order this one. And next we have this one, ma.
Yeah, this one.
It has like thread embroidery here. Oh, this is my
And this one is available in other color too. Like two colors are available in this.
Oh, one
It's a 3-piece set. The one which is on the display, show that one.
Oh yeah, there's one more color, purple color. And you can see it has this nice contrast white color,
Yeah,
cute
on the
dupatta.
sleeves it has a different thread work.
Yeah, So this is the sleeve.
And even the dupatta is a contrast combination.
It has like this collar sleeve. And this is the dupatta. It has beautiful, cute floral embroidery all over. So
And the
very
price is
pretty
2795 3-piece set. Even this can be worn like a one piece or the 3-piece set also. It's a perfect. The
Yeah,
fabric
you
is
can
very
style
good.
it in many ways.
Yeah.
And then we have this one. It's a white anarkali. I loved it so much that I have this one. It's a very nice off-white cream color, monotone look. Whole set is same color. And price for this one is 4395. 4395 is the cost. It's very beautiful.
See the lovely combination of this set. It's a beautiful print, Kyrie style, and it's a top and bottom set. Very soft fabric. Even this is a one. This can be worn like one piece also. Very neat,
Yeah, it's
minimal
very nice
work it has.
mango pattern.
And the price is around 2570. It's a 2-piece set.
Top and bottom.
Yeah, two top and bottom.
And then we have some Jaipuri cottons here. This is also A-line. Both are A-line. Even these are available on the website. I'll let you know the prices. 2795 for this one. Complete 3-piece set. This also comes with a matching tote bag. We have shown this in our live. Actually, the tote is not here, but it's somewhere there. So, and this is another beautiful. I posted a picture in an anarkali like this for Ugadi. So you can check it out on our website. So yeah. So for all such beautiful, pretty, comfortable collections, you can shop them at Tarang. So do visit our stores, or else you can also book a video call from us. So customers, come, let's shop at Tarang.
Tarang.
Bye.